Okay, folks, it's Saturday, May the 11th. I made it back to the shelter. I didn't think I was, but anyway, everybody's home for Mother's Day and all that, but everybody had something to do this morning, so I was free till about, 12, 1 o'clock. It's a little after 10. But I wanted to come down here and see if anything. We've had a couple of big rains, and anyway, I come down here and I put on my knee pads, put on my gloves, and I actually just crawl around looking in this stuff, see if anything's washed out. And I found a few pieces, but I just crawled up on this right here. I don't know what it is. Let's see. Maybe nothing. It sure looks like it. Oh, man. Oh, boy. Thank you, Lord. Look at that. All right. Worth the 7-mile drive up here. I'll clean it up. All right. Maybe that's just the start. Maybe I'll be back. All right, folks. It's been, I don't know, about an hour. I've been digging right here. This is real surprise. I mean, I'm just finding just very few flakes in there, and but I know it's a good spot. And I just throw my second bucket full up here, and lo and behold, I mean, I ain't even touched it. Hey, this baby falls out. Man, that's why you gotta sift that dirt. You miss stuff. Down there on my hands and knees, hand sifting, cutting out roots. I missed it. All right, I'll do a cleanup on that one. Definitely be back with that. Maybe there's more to come. Alright, I'm back. Been about 30 minutes. I found a nice tip a while ago. One of them broke off, but I'm about to finish up. I need to get home. It's Saturday, got things to do, but the family's there. But just found this, scratching out with this hoe. I don't know what it is. Alright, I believe it's going to be a flake knife. I'll have to clean it up. Alright, I'll definitely have to clean it up. I'll be back. Okay, folks, I'm gonna wind this up and get home. We're gonna grill some chicken after a while and celebrate Mother's Day weekend. Also, me and my wife's anniversary and her birthday, so big weekend around the house. There's where I've been digging, and I mean that hole there is at least 18 inches deep, and probably the lowest, the deepest point I've gotten to since I've been doing this. So, and I found that one point in that little blade in there. So I'm hoping, and y'all tell me if I'm wrong, but that point I found, after I got it cleaned up, I was a whole lot more impressed with it. I believe I think it's going to be an oldie. She's beveled. So I'm going to go out on a limb. I believe it may be a Decatur point, which is an old point. But y'all tell me. Yeah, that's the catch of the day right there. But I don't know, found a few pieces of pottery. I don't know what that one, that's a handle or leg or something. Here's a little broke one I found in that hole over there. It's got some pretty flaking on it. And found this little flake knife. You can see she's been worked all around the edge. Anyway, this is the surface find when I got here. And after I cleaned it up, I noticed she was beveled. I can't hold that. Stem's broke though. Pretty material. And I'm going to go out on a limb again. I believe this might be a Decatur point also. Please correct me if I'm wrong. But anyway, that's it. Been about an hour and a half or so. I just basically come down here to look at everything's washed out after those rains. And like I said, I found the one, but I wanted to hit that spot right there. So, all right, folks. Happy Mother's Day. And hope y'all have a good rest of the weekend. If anybody's watching, I appreciate it. Thank y'all. She's going to walk behind her mama. Nephew had a new addition last week. Got a little foal. Maybe she'll come out here in a minute. She's a pretty one. All leg. Alright, I gotta go. Y'all have a good weekend. Okay, it's I got my glasses on. Yeah, it's running. Alright, Wednesday, May the 8th. I'm here in the backyard. I don't know if y'all can hear the cicadas. I'll do a little video for y'all. It may not be getting them, but this is every morning. They emerge, come out of the ground. You can see the holes here. Yeah, some of the holes, and then they crawl to the tree, and they latch onto the tree, and then they come out of the shell. We called them, I don't know, we called them holes when I was a kid. Here's one that's just emerged. Still hadn't got the color yet. It's like he hadn't got his blood flowing through him yet or something, but he'll darken up here in a minute. But you can see there's like what we call the hull. It's empty. So they completely emerged from it. Anyway, I thought some of y'all might be interested. You may not be getting them, but we're eat up with them. I don't know if y'all can hear them in the background or not. But everything here's got cicadas on it. So, all right. That's enough of this. I gotta go check some beaver traps. Y'all have a good day. There's the rain. Alright folks, it's Saturday, May the 11th. I'm sitting here at my house. I just want y'all to hear the cicadas. Trees are full. All right. I may go hunt a point.